in her face. The mirror of your dreams.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And for today, we're just gonna be going over some easy, affordable, cute snack gifts that I could fill in here. Y'all, this was literally $2.98 from Walmart, and I'm about to show you how cute I could make this look with some snacks, some easy little snacks you might see behind me. So let's go. What I can make inside of here is a cute little charcuterie display, a little cheese board, you know. But first, for every one of them, I use saran wrap. You can cover. Ooh, cute. Okay, I made these heart shaped, you know, you see? So if one of them at least don't come out heart shaped, I'm gonna be mad. Okay. I ate them!
No, you only got 3 tacos.
Oh! Okay. Okay. I say you don't want to be silent. Okay. This is how I'm gonna I'll say pizza. Cute little heart containers, these candies, and you put them in here. Oh, just, oh, so cute, yes. You need some tissue paper. It can bake and fit perfectly into here. I think I'm gonna season it with some butter and some Italian seasoning and bake it for 8 minutes. Take it out, put the toppings on. Okay, y'all, well, I hope that video gave you some insight to some more creative things you could do to, you know, give as a gift. Honestly, cooking is really fun because you can put your own twist to it. You can make food, you can make baked goods, but also make sure you are staying safe, washing your hands, and staying sanitized. But yeah, until next time, bye y'all. Oh man.
What a drag.
No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress.